So here I am again in my summer 2018 project, and I want to back out and go back to my projects tab, and what I want to do is create a new movie here. And you see when I make a new movie, it's automatically called my movie. Notice that all my imported media has disappeared, okay, because I'm in a brand new project. So I can import media here and start editing just like I did in my summer 2018. Okay, I don't want to do that yet, so I'm going to back out. It's going to ask me to name my movie project. I'm just going to keep it called My Movie. And you see here, my summer 2018 has the little thumbnail so that I can quickly tell which project that is, as if the title didn't already tell me that. So I'm going to double click to go back in. And I want to come over here and I want to look at the libraries section. Okay, and if I were to click on all events, I see that the only events that exist within this iMovie library is this one titled 7/17/18. Okay, so I can roll that up or show it. So this is showing me all of the events that I have. Now, my iMovie library will show me my two imported Chicago clips, okay? But if I limit this down a little bit and I just look at this event, notice that I don't have any media in that event, okay? And events are actually a really good way to organize your clips, okay? So I can change the name of this event. So with it selected, I'm going to hit my return key, and I'm just going to call this Chicago. And if I go back up here to my summer 2018, this project has its own bin, okay, that I can just throw all my clips in here. But in the event that I want to organize them a little bit better, I'm going to lasso them, and I'm going to drag them over to Chicago. Okay, so now when I click on Chicago, there they are. Okay, and they're also in my summer 2018 because they appear in this project. Okay, I'm going to make a couple more events here, and that's very easy to do. I'm going to right click on iMovie Library. I'm going to make a new event, and I'm going to call this Fireworks. Then I'm going to make another event. I'm going to call it Bike, and another event, and I'm going to call it Roller Coaster, and I'm going to make one more event, and I'm going to call it Music. And this will all make much more sense to you here in a minute, but what I'm going to do is I am going to start with this Bike event, and with this event selected, I'm going to go to Import Media, and I'm going to locate the two Laney Bike movies. And I'm going to import these two movies into the Bike event. Import those, and there they are. My daughter Laney just learned how to ride her bike this summer. It was pretty awesome. In Chicago, I have my Chicago trip. Fireworks is empty, so I'm going to import more media here. And Independence Fireworks, I have just a still image here, here, and here, pictures that I took. And then I also have a fireworks video here. So I'm going to command click all of those, and I'm going to import these 4 pieces of media into Fireworks. Import selected, and there they are. And again, when you scrub a picture, it doesn't really do anything, but when you scrub a video, you can see it playing. Okay, I'm going to come down here to Roller Coaster, and I'm going to import media. And we all know the Duct Tape Festival has awesome roller coasters, especially for kids. So I have 2 roller coaster videos. I'm going to import them to Roller Coaster. import those two videos. And then finally, I'm going to come up to my music folder here, and I'm going to import media. And I have some music in here. Okay, and just like videos and pictures with music, I can preview it. Okay, so I'm going to command click all three of these, and these three pieces of media, again, always double check where they're going. They're going to my music event. Alright, so here I can't really see anything in the viewer, but I can hit my space bar and I can preview all three of these clips. Okay, and they show up in green. Okay, so let's look at my events here. I have the bike riding videos, I have the Chicago videos, I have the fireworks, both still images and video. I have music, which is just music that will serve as like background music for this video. And then I have the roller coaster videos. Okay, so if I come back to my summer 2018, again, the only videos I see are the ones that are in my timeline. But if I wanted to take, let's say this firework video, and I wanted to mark an in and out point, and I wanted to drag this into my timeline. Okay, so I now have 3 video clips, and I come back up to my summer 2018, and you can see all the clips that are in this project are in this bin. Okay, the video is still here, and again I can see the orange line indicating what portion of that video is there, but again, the only thing that's in this project bin are the videos that are in my project. So stay tuned for the next iMovie tutorial video.